When I got my new Permobil F5 VS wheelchair, I kept my old wheelchair, which was the Permobil C300, as a backup, and I try and use it and charge it once every 4 months. That way I can maintain the battery in case I have to use it if something happens to my Permobil F5. It's important to maintain the wheelchairs, so in this video I am going to get it out and use it and then charge it to hopefully keep the battery life. Let me know in the comments if you have an old wheelchair that you maintain and how often you use it or what you do to maintain it. If you are new to the channel, my name is Mason Ellis. I'm a C5 through C7 quadriplegic. I make videos to help you live life just like you would have able-bodied. If you enjoy this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Like I said, I try and use my old wheelchair once every 4 months, and I have a reminder in my phone for me to do that. The only problem is I haven't actually followed that rule, and so it's been a while since I used it. As you can see, the wheelchair is right there. This is the seat to my van, and then we have a pressure washer and a shooting thing, and right there is my Easy Stand Evolve standing frame, and then I have my wheelchair Permobil C300. There's this boat right here, and the other boat is gone, so I might have to move all this stuff in order to get to that. Okay, I got everything moved enough to where I can get through here with my wheelchair and get this one out, hopefully. This wheelchair has not been turned on in probably 8 months, so I'm hoping it turns on. First thing I will have to do is turn on that power switch down there to allow current to flow throughout the whole chair. And that lever there above the C300 is pushed in, so it requires the actual power wheelchair, whereas if I pull it out, I would be able to move it around by hand. Well, I took this rubber flap off of that down there to where I could see how it worked, because I couldn't see it being this high. So I pulled it off, and it looks like it was on. It looked like it was on. So I tried turning on the wheelchair, and it came on. However, it says low battery. I guess that's good that it turned on, but I'm disappointed that I forgot to turn the actual power off last time I used it. So I'll probably have to get in it and charge it before I can use it. I plugged in the wheelchair, and it basically had a dead battery, like I said. And I did check it last night before I went to bed, and it still wasn't charged at all, really. So let's see if it's charged now. And nope. It's not. At least I thought it wasn't, but down there I see that all of the green lights are on. However, that red light at the top is on, so I'm not sure what that means. I guess I'll unplug it and see. Okay, I unplugged the charger and I turned on the wheelchair, and it's still giving me the low battery error. So apparently the battery is no good. Like I said, I thought I saw green lights down there on that, but I think that might just be the light from the window. You can see the wear and tear on my wheelchair. Look at the armrest and the seat cover. And also the side pieces are on opposite, so must have did that just to get them out of the way last time. Well, it looks like the batteries on my wheelchair are not good anymore because they're not charging at all. And like I said, that light on the charger is still on, which has like a hazard sign, and the same error is on the wheelchair joystick screen thing. So if you want your old wheelchair to last, don't go too many months without charging it. Let me know in the comments how you maintain your old wheelchairs, if you get rid of them, sell them, stuff like that. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you watch another one of my videos.